Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the In-Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today we're going to be taking a look at Dragon Professional and specifically looking into internet commands, how to navigate the web or your browser on your computer. So let's go ahead and take a look. I have a blank Chrome window open. Chrome is my browser of choice when I use Dragon naturally speaking. I think it works more intuitively with Dragon, allows you to have a little bit more control than what some of the other browsers have. You can use it with Microsoft Edge, but again, a lot of the commands that I use a lot don't work in Microsoft Edge. It doesn't seem to be as intuitive as Chrome is. What I have up on the screen for you today is just a Wikipedia site. It's got the flag of the United States, and I chose this just because it has a lot of different content. It's got a lot of clickable information, different text, but also images and buttons. And just something for us to be able to play around with. I'm going to talk about a couple of different commands with you today, how to actually get to the address bar and type in a search term, and then how to click links, how to click buttons, how to click images, all sorts of that different content that you'll find on different pages. I'll also talk about how to move between, how to open a new tab, and then how to go to a different tab, how to move between the different tabs in your browser, since most browsers offer tabs these days as a way to have multiple windows open. It's a great way to know how to move and maneuver between some of those. And then how to go back and forward. So go back to a previous page and go forward to a new page. And so let's try some of these things out. I'm going to go up here to Dragon and turn on my microphone, let it start to listen to me, and we'll go from there. Press Alt-D. Easterseals Crossroads. Assistive Technology Center. Press Enter. Click Link. Choose 14. Press Alt left arrow. Press Alt right arrow. Open third tab. Open first tab. Open a new tab. Go to sleep. So those are just some of the commands you might be able to use to do some of those things. Again, we said press Alt-D to get up to the address bar, typed in or just spoke in our search term and said press Enter. That went ahead and opened up some search content. I said things like click link or click button or click image. It's going to put numbers next to each of those different things that are each of those different different content on your page. And then once it highlights it, it puts that number next to it. You can say choose whatever number is there. And so to be able to go ahead and click on it, which is a great way to do that. Then we talked about open a new tab, opens up a new tab, and then you can say go to first tab, go to third tab. You can move around those tabs just by telling it which one you want to go to. And so just a few helpful tips with Dragon today. And so I hope that was helpful. Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the In-Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.